I found a better one kasi. Nagbibigay sa akin ng kapanatagan if in case ma-hospitalized ako. In fact, merong tinatawag na hospital daily income which is 1,000 pesos.
Here are the questions from our YouTube channel. First question. I used to freelance. Okay naman talaga yung sahod, kaya lang walang government mandated employee benefits like 13th month pay, SSS, and more, kaya back to office life ako.
Sadly, it is true. Tinood, yes. But let me first tell you my own understanding of what freelance or freelancing is. Okay? If you are a freelancer, of course, you provide services as a self-employed individual. You make money on a per-job basis. Therefore, if you don't literally work, then kahit singkong duling, wala kang matatanggap. But what's good about freelancing is talagang hawak mo yung work schedule mo, and you can even work with different companies. May mga restrictions man or limitations depende sa company, but in general, talagang hawak mo yung schedule mo. So in short, hindi ka company employee. It's really understandable na medyo magulo lang yun. Like for me, I work for 2 different ESL companies. So hinahati ko yung oras ko. Dun sa isa kong company, more on writing kasi yon. Though pwede akong mag-teach doon, but very seldom talaga nakafocus ako sa kabila. But you know, you actually have the options to make contributions kung gusto mo. And it's an advantage pa nga on your end kasi you know that your money goes directly to the government agency of your choice. Diba? Just like in my case, so I started freelancing 8 years ago, and just last year nag-stop ako ng paghuhulog ng SSS, PhilHealth. The reason why I stopped is that I found a better one kasi. Because this one is not just ensuring me to get a certain amount the moment I retire, but also nagbibigay sa akin ng kapanatagan if in case ma-hospitalized ako. Though ganun naman yung sa PhilHealth, but this one kasi is parang mas may advantage siya. In fact, merong tinatawag na hospital daily income which is 1,000 pesos. So daily yun. Kaya kahit papano, talagang mas nakakatulong siya. For me and there's more. The money I put into it is also an investment. I can actually withdraw it anytime I feel like withdrawing. The interest is also way higher than just saving it in the bank. So thanks to my beautiful sister who introduced it to me. She's no other than
My beautiful Tita Hani Sugala. My mom got her ProLink Assurance account plus for 60 pesos per day only, or 1,800 per month. An investment-linked life insurance plan that offers financial growth with maximum protection.
of course, powered by ProLife UK. Please do not hesitate to contact her and check the description box below. Sa 13th month pay or other bonuses, yes, wala kaming ganun. I mean, sa tagal ko sa industry na to, never pa ako nakatanggap. I don't know with the other companies pero ilan na rin yung mga companies na napagtrabahuan ko. siguro like more than 4 or 5, never pa. That's actually the reason why most of the ESL teachers still work even on Christmas Day kasi or other holidays kasi wala. Though meron namang pa-incentive na. Pero yun nga, you still have to work to get those incentives. Hindi din naman yun kalakihan, but somehow it helps. Diba? And now, let's proceed to question number 2.
Naku, ang barat ng mga ESL companies these days at parang nagiging dead-end job na. Buti tumagal ka.
Okay. Kasakit ba, uy? Grabe na question. That's really heartbreaking, no? Well, of course, I know what dead-end job means. Pero I still Googled it talaga to have more information and to understand it better. Unsa man, sa kapwa ko ESL teachers, what do you think? Dead-end job ba talaga itong ating trabaho? Well, for me, if it's about getting promotions or getting a higher job position, then I'm not really up for it. In fact, I declined past offers. Kasi it would just mean more responsibilities, a lot on your plate. And I have my own priorities. So, ayoko kaya nga ako nag-freelance kasi I want enough time for my family, especially for my daughter. Because I'd like to always be available whenever my daughter needs me. I'm very thankful that I found this job, to be honest. Meron siyang work-life balance. For further education naman, we're learning. Kasi we talk to different students with different levels. Hindi lang yan puro beginners. We also have advanced students. So we need to improve ourselves, our teaching skills also. May mga trainings naman, depende sa mga companies yan, but most likely, parang self-paced learning talaga yan. In our case, we have to be parang always ready for other lessons. Hindi yun pare-pareho yung lessons. In just, kumaga, after 20 minutes or after ng class mo, expect na you'll have another lesson to take kasi different student na naman yon. Kaya minsan, pag hindi mo alam yung may mga tanong or hindi mo alam yung topic, you have to be very quick in finding ways. And dun sa question kung bakit ako tumagal, by the way, I've been freelancing for 8 years, or more than 8 years actually, kasi 6 months pa lang yung baby ko, nag-start na talaga ako eh. I feel satisfied naman so far. And also, I feel like it's a perfect fit for my beliefs, for my schedule. Basta akma siya eh. Yung nag-office-based ako when I was still single, talaga pinapangarap ko yung ganitong trabaho. Anak Jod, labi na kay inahan na, 'di ba? Labi na kay anak. So parang feeling ko in my own opinion, this one is really good for mothers na may time para sa family nila. Hindi ko yata natatandaan na parang lumabas ako nang wala yung anak ko. That's actually the reason why I sometimes decline invitations sa mga from my friends. Shout out sa mga friends ko dyan. Pero they actually understand naman. Kasi ganun talaga, iba na talaga. Kasi parang hindi rin naman ako sasaya while with them. Kasi may isip ko, ano kayong ginagawa ng anak ko? Okay lang ba siya or what? Parang ganun. Mga times talaga din naman na pag ini-invite kami, if I think it's really important and if it's okay with them to bring my family, kasama pa nga pati yung dada niya kasi hindi din yan pumapayag na umalis kami ng wala siya. So, kailangan parang package.
Bakit po kayo content creator ng YouTube? Talaga po bang may kitaan dyan?
Okay, it was created when the pandemic started. And at first, it was all for my daughter's welfare. Kasi nga, at that time, I decided to independently homeschool her. Para kahit paano gaganahan siya. It's like storage na din for beautiful memories, para kahit papano, meron kang mabalikan, di ba? Anyway, it's for free naman eh. And actually, halo-halo. Eventually, nagka-idea ako na why not sharing information about my ESL job. Kasi meron din talagang mga nagtatanong sa akin, mga friends ko or other acquaintances, na paano yung job ko, ganyan, paano mag-work from home. So, most of the time talaga, hindi ko nasasagot yun in detail. Kasi, as you know, medyo busy din talaga ako. And I make sure talaga na pag hindi ako nagkaklase, I make sure to be away from any gadgets talaga. I remember one of my friends once told me to focus on one niche daw para mas makagain ng viewers, and that would mean more income. Yes, who doesn't want to have more side hustles, diba? Hindi lang kasi siya talaga kami doon nakafocus. Kumbaga, it's not our primary reason why we created our channel. Kung sumahod na ba kami sa question na yon? No, not yet pa. Although, gamay na lang kayong kimbot in tawon para sumahod or para makapag-withdraw. Kasi, they have this threshold talaga na kailangan mong abutin, or a certain amount of money abutin mo. And we haven't reached that, sadly. Pero yun nga, malapit na. Kaya, keep on viewing, keep on watching our YouTube channel. Share it with friends natin. Thank you sa mga nag-leave ng comments. I truly appreciate. I hope nasagot ko yung concerns ninyo. And I'd like to get this opportunity na din to somehow educate or influence na din those mothers like me to set aside something for the future, like getting an insurance, but make sure na to deal with licensed or with a license and yung a legal advisor talaga. Okay? Kasi sa panahon ngayon, of course, ayaw natin na wala lang yung pinaghirapan natin. Next content, I would also share yung kinuha kong policy for my daughter. And just like my policy, very affordable din. Mas mababa pa talaga. Again, thank you so much for listening and watching this video. Remember to always be the best version of yourself.
Thank you for watching!
Remember, always be the best version of yourself. See you in our next video!